I got a free older Toro Recycler mower. Owner said this was about 20 years old. It's got a Briggs and Stratton engine on it. He said it still runs. The Self Propelled no longer works on it. It's called Deluxe Power Drive. This is the engine with a choke on it, not a primer bulb. Air filter's a bit dirty on it. It's starting to rain a bit here, so I was going to do a quick show on this and try to get this started. It's got some gas in it. It smells okay. He had a very small yard. What's interesting is, shows he bought this from Ohio. I wish I'd gotten a little more detail on it. Don't know if we can see this. Looks like Macadamia, Ohio. He said he bought it new. Pretty neat old mower. It's a little bit low on oil. I'm going to double check that before I try to start it. Looks pretty dirty as well. I don't know if the belt is broke on this. I'm not even going to try to attempt to fix the self-propelled on this. It's got the old-fashioned choke, as we used to know. Slow turtle, fast rabbit, and the choke down here. And the self-propelled doesn't work, he said. I don't know if the spark plug's been replaced in this or not. Got a few holes in this deck I noticed. It's like a cast aluminum. There's one here. Under here looks great. 22-inch mower. It's got a different kind of blade on here, but the blade looks great, and under here does as well. So we're just going to give this a start and see what it runs like. And I will just clean this up and sell this as is, if it runs good enough. Okay, we're going to give this a try as is. I've tied the handle off. And it's got a choke on it. I hope that works. It's got gas in it. I topped the oil off on it a bit. It's amazing you find these older mowers and they're still in such good shape. Got it choked. Hopefully, let's see what happens with this older Toro. Better pull the choke off on it. It's trying. It is trying. It is trying. There we go. There we go. Look at that. I'm choking it here. Took a bit to start this. No oil. How about that? See if it keeps running. Not too bad. Bad older mower, is it? We'll clean this up, do another video after.